Now we start question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of the 400 neon bulb. Find the median lifetime of the lamp. यह टोटल नंबर ऑफ 400 नियॉन लैंप दिया है, इसका लाइफ टाइम इन आवर्स दिया हुआ है। तो ये गिवन दैट क्लास लेंथ क्लास लाइफ टाइम इन आवर्स क्लास 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Now in first class 1500 to 2000, the frequency equal to 14. 2000 to 2500, frequency equal to 56. 2500 to 3000, frequency equal to 60. 3000 to 3500, frequency equal to 86. 3500 to 4000, 74. 4000 to 4500, 62. 4500 to 5000, 48. Total hours 400. Total number of lamps 400. Now the given we write in table. Now we write the cumulative frequency. Mean, to find the mean we have to necessary the class mark. For the median it is necessary for the greatest frequency या largest frequency, and in median we have to find cumulative frequency, means collection of frequency. Here 14 plus 56, 70 plus 60, 130 plus 86, 6 plus 0 6, 8 plus 3 11, 216 plus 74 10, 290 plus 62, so 300, 55, 52, 0 plus 2 2, 9 plus 6 15, 1 3, 352 plus 48, 400, total 400. Now here n equal to 400 bulb is given. Now as per formula m equal to n upon tooth observation equal to 400 upon 2 observation equal to 200th observation m equal to. We subtract 200 from cumulative frequency. If answer is positive, then it is class. 14 minus 200, the negative minus 186, 70 minus 200, minus 130, 130 minus 200, minus 70, 216, minus 200, so answer is positive. Therefore median class is, we take a draw a block for our understanding. So median class equal to 3000 to 3500. Therefore L equal to 3000, height of class, class length, size of class 3500 minus 3500. Here n equal to 400. In frequency in median class f equal to 86, CF, cumulative frequency above the median class, CF equal to 130. Now we write the formula M equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon small f into H. Here L equal to 3000, N upon 2, 400 upon 2 minus CF 130 upon small f 86 into class length 500. Here this is continuous distribution है, इसलिए हमको कंटिन्यूस में घुमाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Here given is the continuous distribution. Now 400 upon 2 equal to 3000 plus 200 minus 130 upon 86 into 500 equal to 3200 minus 130 70 upon 86 into 500. 86 2 जा 43 2 जा 86 35 2 जा 70. Therefore M equal to 3000 plus 17500 upon 43. Therefore M equal to 3000 plus 17500 upon 43 equal to 3000 plus, we divide 17,500 divided by 43. Now 3 ja 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12, 15 minus 9 6, 6 minus 2 4. So we have to 4 3 ja 12 1, 17, 5 minus 2 3, 0 0 0 0. 4 7 ja 28, 4 7, 7 3 ja 21, plus 2, 4 7 ja 28 plus 2 तो 30. तो slightly increase हो जाता है. Therefore we have to multiply 6. 6 3 ja 18 1, 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25, 10 minus 8 1 2, 9 minus 5 4, 0 point 0 carry 0 into 9. 9 3 ja 27 2, 9 4 ja 36 plus 2 38, 10 minus 7 3, 11 minus 8 3, 0 0. 8 ja 8 3 ja 24 2, 8 4 ja 32 plus 2 34, which is approximately 98 plus 406.98. Therefore M equal to 3406.98. This is answer. Now we start question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from the local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of number of letters in English alphabet in the surname was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of the letters in the surname. Also find mean number of letters of surname and find the mode of size. Question is class 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Number of surname is frequency 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. Now we start the solution. As a table, the class is 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19, and frequency 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4, total 100. Now class marks means mid value or mid value. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 upon 2, 2.5. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 upon 2, 5.5. Here different 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, plus 3, 16. Here class के अंदर 3 3 ऐड करते गए, तो we can add the in mid value 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8.5. plus 3, 11.5, plus 3, 14.5, plus 3, 17.5. Now we select UI as any number. Suppose assume in A equal to 8.5, A. The small a equal to 8.5 in bracket assume mean. हमने मीन सपोज किया, हम कोई भी सपोज करते हैं, मिड वैल्यू वाले भी सपोज कर सकते हैं, मिडल 11.5 भी सपोज कर सकते हैं, बट आंसर विल बिकम सेम. नाउ यू वाई इक्वल टू, तो हियर 0, -1, -2, 1, 2 एंड 3. नाउ एफ आई यू वाई, एफ और यू का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 6 इंटू -2 इक्वल टू -12, 30 इंटू -1 -30, 40 इंटू 0 0, 16 इंटू 1 16, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. Firstly we add the negative term, so -42. We add the positive term 16 plus 8 24 plus 12 to 36, -42 plus 36 equal to -6. This is sigma FIUI. Summation of FIUI, negative term, sum of negative term -30 -12 -42. Summation of the positive term 16, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 16 36, 36 42 minus 36, so -6. Now we write the, for the median we have to find the cumulative frequency. So here frequency is 6, so we write 6, 6 plus 30 36, 36 plus 4 76, 76 plus 16 92, plus for 96 plus for 100. तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, कलेक्शन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, जो सेकंड टेबल है 6 प्लस 30 प्लस 40 हम ऐड करते गए, दिस इज नोन एज द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ वी राइट A equal to 8.5, H equal to 3, sigma Fi equal to 100, sigma Fi Ui equal to minus 6. We write the formula x bar equal to, for mean, A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi or n into class height h. A equal to 8.5 plus minus 6 upon 100 into class height 3 equal to 8.5 minus 16 3 is 18 upon 100. X bar equal to 8.5 minus 0.18, x बार इक्वल टू, तो 8.5 मतलब 50 लेने का, माइनस 0.18 टू 32, 7.32, this is the mean. Therefore mean of data 7.32 is answer. Now we have to find median and mode. Now we start for median. M equal to n upon 2th observation. Here n equal to 100. 100 upon 2th observation. 100 upon 2 means 50th observation. Now we see in the table 6 minus 50, so negative term, 36 minus 60, negative term, 76 minus 50, 36 minus 50, negative term, 76 minus 50, तो पॉजिटिव टर्म. तो 76 वाला जो है वो क्लास आएगा. Therefore median class is 7 to 10. Therefore lower limit equal to, lower boundary point equal to 7. Now we use the formula of the median. M equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon small f into height h. L equal to 7 n upon 2 50 minus Cf 36 upon f 40 into class length 3 equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36 14 into 3 upon 40, 7 to the 14, 20, 7 plus 21 upon 20, equal to 7 plus, now we divide 21 divided by 20, 21 ja 20, 1 point, carry 0, the 10 is smaller than 20, therefore 0, 100, 5 ja 100, 25 ja 100, so 1.05, therefore m equal to 8.05. This is the median. Therefore median equal to 8.5 answer. Now we have to find mode. Mode. We know that for mode we have to maximum frequency. Here maximum frequency is सबसे ज़्यादा frequency equal to 40. In which class? Therefore median class, model class, equal to 7 to 10. Therefore L equal to 7. Now we see in the frequency, the frequency of model class 40 is F1. F1 equal to 40, F0 equal to 30, F2 equal to 16, H equal to 3. So Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 F0 minus F2 into H equal to L equal to 7, F1 equal to 40 minus 30 upon 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3 equal to 7 plus 40 minus 30, 10 into 3. Now 2 into 40 upon 80 minus 30 minus 16 equal to 7 plus 10 3 is 30 upon 80 minus 30, so 50. 50 minus 60, 34. 15 2 ja, 2 17 ja. Therefore Z equal to 7 plus 15 upon 17. Now we divide 15 divided by 17. 15 is smaller, therefore we take point. Now take a 0. 8 ja 136, 8 7 ja 56, 5 30, 1 3 40, 8 ja 136, 4 carry 0, 2 ja 34, 6 ja 3 ja. Therefore Z equal to 7 plus 0.88. Z equal to 7.88. This is answer. Now we find mode, mean, median and mode. Mean equal to 8.32, median equal to 8.5, mode equal to 7.88.